Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to post a reel on Facebook. First thing, let's launch the Facebook app. Next, you want to head to the top right corner and you want to click on the plus sign. When you click on the plus sign, you have all these different four options to create content. You have the option to create a post, a story, a reel, and to go live. Let's click on the reel option. Let's select the content that we want to upload. In this case, we're going to select this particular thumbnail from the previous video. What options are popping up on the right side? First thing, you want to, of course, add audio. You can add music as you can see over here, or you can add voiceover. Pro tip, if you add music or voiceover, you want to make sure that the original audio of the video that is currently on or picture has to be adjusted. Moving left, moving right, you can actually mute the original sound, as you can see over here, and unmute. Very important update. You don't want to have a mix of sounds right at the same time and none of them will actually appear. Second option that you have on the right side, of course, is to click on text. This is a very interesting option. You can actually add additional like welcoming or explanatory stuff, right? You can make it larger, smaller. You can move it with your finger by just simply holding it, press on the actual text, right? And you can just move it all around the place. You can make it so small, right? And then you can just try to hide it on the screen of the iPhone. The third option, of course, is the clip hub, where you essentially can add different type of, like a GIFs on your actual content. You can add a reaction. You can add the small pieces of TV series if you want to make it more interacting. The last option right before the stickers, of course, is the captions. If you have a video in which you have a straight up talking, it's very good to add captions, so it will increase the engagement. People will understand, especially the ones that are actually working right now and cannot play the audio. The next option will be stickers, right? I think you're pretty familiar with them. You can add the timing, you can add a particular movement or particular day of the week. So for example, today is Friday, boom, Friday is over here, or you can set it underneath, right? Like a welcoming, you can shift it 360, 180 degrees. You can do whatever you want. And of course, the last option is you can actually save this video right before posting it. Some people I've seen doing this simply by downloading the video and then posting the video on other platforms, being so on X, Twitter, TikTok, or simply going on Instagram Reels. Next thing, you want to press next, and here's important metrics that you should consider if you really want to grow. First thing, of course, is that you want to make sure that you have your Instagram page, if it's in the same niche, same account, shared automatically on Instagram. So every post that you're creating on Facebook Reel could be actually here, shared through your Instagram page. You can add topics, simply niche down. If it's a video games, recipe, fashion, electronics. So you will hit the right audience at the right time. It's not gonna go general out there and spend so much time for the algorithm try to identify your right audience. Last but not least, of course, if you're eligible here to earn money, you want to make sure this is on so people can actually tip you by, giving you stars, which later could be converted into money. Basically, that's it, guys. Of course, you can take a look at the visibility of the reel. Do you want to hit public? Do you want to hit friends? Do you want to hit friends, accept particular people? You can do so. When you click on friends accept, they will give you an option where you can actually downgrade and reduce the people of your friends list who actually see your reel. But basically, guys, that's it. I hope you had a lot of value over here. For more tips and tricks, subscribe and follow for more.